My creative friend, in a small village where the air smells of soil and rain, where morning began with the bird song and evening end with lantern light. There lived a simple a tradition made not of gold or silver but of jute. Jute, a humble fiber grown from the earth, soft yet strong, simple yet powerful. For generations, this golden thread was part of everyday life. Simple people call it art back then. They called it living. Every year, when the monsoon clouds arrived, farmers planted jewel seeds with hope in their hearts. They knew that these plants would grow tall, strong, and useful. After months of care, the plants were harvested, washed in river water, and dried under the warm sun. From nature came a fiber that carried a story within it. In one such village lived a woman named Amina. Amina had learned jute crafting from her grandmother. Her grandmother used to say, Beta, jute is not just a rope, it is a patient toiled into beauty. Amna would sit near the window every afternoon, sunlight falling on her hands as she twisted, knot, and shaped jute fiber into something meaningful. So, Amna would sit near the window every afternoon, sunlight falling on her hands. As she twisted, knotted, and shaped jute fiber into something meaningful. A basket, wall hanging, a lampshade. Each piece was simple, but every knot carried love. Was made Amna's craft special. Was not expensive tools but creativity. Old bottles became vases, broken pots became planters, unused fabric became decoration, wrapped in jute. Everything looked warm, earthy, and alive. She believed that nothing is useless. It only needs a new idea. Jute is kind to the earth. It is biodegradable. It returns to soil without harm. It does not poison water or air. While the world struggles with plastic waste, jute quietly offers a solution. Through jute craft, people learn to decorate their homes without hurting nature. Slowly, Amna's craft reached nearby towns. People loved the natural textures, the rustic look, the handmade touch. They say they did not feel like factory workshop. They feel like home. Jute wall hanging started appearing in living rooms. Jute basket replaced plastic boxes. Jute decor becomes a symbol of simplicity and sustainability. During festival, jute transforms into magic. Xmas ornaments made of jute, New Year decor wrapped in golden fibers, wedding decorations soft and elegant. Lights shone brighter against the natural brown texture of jute. It proved that beauty does not need glitter, sometimes it just needs heart. For Amina, jute craft just was not just decoration, it was dependence, it was confidence, it was self-respect. She started teaching other women to gather the laughed, learn and created. Their hands told story, their craft carried dreams. Every jute craft whisper a message. Respect nature, support handmade, choose simplicity, reduce waste, create with love. In a fast world, jute reminds us to slow down. Today, when you decorate your home with jute, remember, somewhere a farmer planted that fiber. A woman shaped in it with care. Nature smiled as it returned to earth. Jute is not just a craft, it is a connection between hands, hearts, and plants, and the planet. From soil to soul, this is the story of jute craft. If you want to watch more videos like this, more crafting ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your comments and your opinion is very valuable for us. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, happiness, togetherness, and many